Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Windows account that has admin rights so you can remove apps. Once signed in, back up any Roblox saves or studio projects from documents and app data, because uninstalling removes local files. Make sure Roblox, your browser, and Microsoft Store are closed. This prevents locked files and ensures the uninstall proceeds cleanly. Now open Settings to the Apps section. You'll begin the removal from the system, rather than waiting or guessing where components reside. You'll remove the apps next. Open Settings Apps and Features, or launch Microsoft Store and go to My Library. Once there, locate Roblox Player and Roblox Studio and click Uninstall for each. This removes the installed packages. If you installed via Microsoft Store and see a Manage Installs list, remove the app from any linked devices as well so it won't auto-install. Make sure you follow prompts and wait for each uninstall to finish before moving on to clear residual files. Finish by restarting the PC and verifying removal. Check program files and the %appdata% and %local app data % folders for leftover Roblox directories and delete them if present. Make sure to clear Roblox cookies in your browser, and if you linked accounts, update or unlink that connection in account settings on the Roblox site. If an uninstall fails or items remain, reinstall Roblox from the store, then uninstall again. Or run the Windows Apps Troubleshooter to resolve permission or packaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.